Welcome to 10-minute yoga for posture. This short yoga sequence is focused on stretching the shoulders and strengthening the back to help you improve your posture. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position where you can sit with neutral spine without rounding the back. You can sit cross-legged, maybe place a cushion or yoga block underneath your hips to make it more comfortable, or come to a kneeling position like I'm doing here. Relax your hands on your thighs, close your eyes, and take a moment to bring attention to your upper body, to your shoulders and upper back. Notice how you feel in this part of your body. If there is any tension or tightness in your shoulders and upper back. Now open your eyes, place your hands to your shoulders. With inhale, move your arms forward and up. Exhale, back and down. Inhale, forward and up. Exhale, back and down, making circles with your shoulders. Just warming up them a bit before we do the stretches. Switch direction, a few circles to another side. Release your arms and bring them into 90-degree angle or cactus shape. With inhale, lift your chest, bring your arms back, squeezing the shoulder blades, so that you feel some opening and stretch on the front of your shoulders, arms and chest. With exhale, round the back, bring your palms together. Inhale, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round, palms together. A few more on your own, just continue to move with your breath. Last time, inhale to open the chest. Exhale to round the upper back. And then release your arms to the sides. With inhale, circle your arms up. Keep your ribs in, avoid arching the back. Exhale, interlace your fingers. Turn your palms to face up towards the ceiling. Inhale to reach your arms up, stretch through the sides of the body. Exhale, bring your palms forward, round the back. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, release the arms to the sides, interlace the fingers behind the back. Inhale, lift your chest. Pull your palms away from the body, stretching the front of the shoulders. Exhale, release. Let's do it 2 more times. Inhale, circle the arms up. Exhale, interlace the fingers. Inhale, press your palms up. Exhale, press your palms forward, round the upper back. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, arms to the sides, interlace the fingers. Inhale, lift the chest, stretch the shoulders. Exhale, release. One last time. Inhale. Exhale to interlace the fingers. Inhale, press your palms up. Exhale, round the upper back. Inhale, press the palms up. Exhale, arms to the sides, interlace the fingers. Inhale to lift your chest. And exhale, release. Good job. Now let's come to the belly. Just lay down on your belly. Place your right arm into 90-degree angle so that the shoulder and elbow and hand are in one line. Slowly roll to your right side until you feel the stretch on the front of your right shoulder. And if the stretch is too much or too little, you can experiment with different angles of your arm to find a different stretch on the shoulder and chest. Big breath here, in and out through the nose. Slowly roll back to your belly, place your left arm into 90-degree angle and roll to your left side. Roll back to your belly. Position your hands next to your chest. Press the tops of the feet into the mat. With inhale, lift your chest and head using your back muscles so that there is little weight in your hands. Exhale, release your head down. Inhale to lift. Exhale, release. 3 more times, move with your breath. Try to lift your chest a little higher each time. Now lift your chest off the mat, lift your hands. Option to hold here if this is challenging enough. If you want to add more challenge, slowly straighten your arms forward and then bring them back, lifting your chest higher. 2 more times, straighten your arms and bend them again. Last time, straighten, bend, lift your chest higher and then release to the ground. Take a little rest. If you feel some tension in the lower back, shifting the hips side to side can help to relieve that tension. Now straighten your arms alongside the body. And with your next inhale, lift everything you can off the mat, legs, chest, head and arms. Keep reaching back with your fingertips, lifting your chest higher. You can hold here, or for more challenge, straighten your arms forward and keep breathing. One last time, breathe in, breathe out, relax your body down to the mat. Now position your forearms on the mat parallel to each other, elbow underneath your shoulder for Sphinx pose. Press down through your forearms, lift your chest, and imagine pulling your chest forward between your arms for a gentle back bend. Take last big inhale in Sphinx. Exhale, release your forehead down. Press down through your hands to come up to hands and knees. And round your back for a moment in cat pose, just to counterbalance the back bend. And when you're ready, just come back to seated position. Notice how your body feels right now. Maybe notice some difference in the shoulders, in the upper back. Maybe the shoulders feel more open or the back feels stronger. I hope you enjoyed this short yoga sequence. Let me know in the comments if you did. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.